Robert here with Fresno Community Gardens. It's beautiful January right now. We're going to be trimming this fruit tree. This fruit tree right here is going to be our Santa Rosa plum. I love this one. It's a personal favorite because they use it for chamoy. For all my Latino friends out there, that's a great sauce that comes from this plum tree. So I'm going to be trimming it down. You don't want any branches growing inside. See how this one's growing inside? And they'll touch each other. It's not good. So I'm gonna cut this one. Let's see here. I got this one on this side. This one's growing inward. See how it's growing in towards the plant? So that's not a good one. This one. We're going to be topping this tree. It's about 14 feet tall. It's a little bit taller than I am. So we're going to go and top it. I really don't want it taller than I can reach, you know? So